The Arleigh Burke-class destroyer has been the U.S. Navy's go-to workhorse for a long time, but lately they've started mass-producing a new version called the Flight 3, and it's a total game-changer. These ships were originally designed way back in the Cold War to replace older models with a solid all-around design. Even though the Navy tried to build a super fancy stealth ship called the Zumwalt, it ran into some pretty big and expensive hiccups. So they decided to head back to what they know works. By sticking with the Arleigh Burke, the Navy is choosing reliable top-tier power over risky new ideas. It's all about making sure the fleet stays ahead of the pack. So, what makes the Flight 3 so tough? It really comes down to its new eyes. The ship is packed with the AN/SPY 6 radar, which is about 35 times more sensitive than the older ones. This means it can track everything from standard missiles to those scary, super-fast hypersonic weapons all at once. To keep that massive radar running, they had to totally overhaul the ship's insides, with much stronger engines and better cooling systems. They're even leaving extra room so they can add futuristic laser weapons later on. The reason the Navy is building so many of these ships right now is that other countries, especially China, are modernizing their navies at a lightning pace. In a tough situation, you need a ship that can act as both a shield and a sword. Since the older Ticonderoga-class cruisers are starting to retire, the Flight 3 is stepping up as the new air defense commander of the fleet. With 96 missile tubes ready to go, it's easily the most flexible ship for protecting the ocean. Besides the firepower, mass-producing these ships is just a smart move. Let's face it, building a brand new ship from scratch usually leads to years of delays and costs a fortune. On the other hand, the Arleigh Burke production line is already up and running smoothly at 2 big shipyards. This warm production line lets the Navy build ships faster and for a better price. It keeps things predictable and stable, which is exactly what you want when you're planning for the future. At the end of the day, the Flight 3 proves that a great design can last a long time. It might not look like a futuristic spaceship, but its high-tech brain and eyes make it the most capable ship in the water today. By doubling down on this battle-hardened design, the U.S. Navy is making sure its sailors have exactly what they need to stay safe. Until the next generation of ships is finally ready, the Arleigh Burke is going to stay the undisputed backbone of the fleet.